how to change skin in Minecraft Java Edition. So first, download your skin, but if you already have a skin, you can skip this part. But for those who don't have any skin yet, just open up your browser first. Once your browser is open, just search for Minecraft skin right here. And I could pick from all of these skins. But for me, I'm just gonna pick the skin dex Minecraft skins right there. You'd also do this too. So if this pops up, it means that this item is not available for the moment. Or as of the moment, that's why we're gonna use another website. So let's try this one. So as you can see, there are tons of skin that you could use. So just pick any skin that you want. So let's say I want to use the top skins right here. Let's say I want Batman. So I want to use Batman right here. Once you're here, just simply click on the download button there and click on save. Once that's done, you simply need to open up your Minecraft or your Minecraft launcher, then go to Java Edition, then click on skins, click on new skin. You could name your skin, let's say Batman. You could also set it to wide or slim. Then click on browse. Then go to the one that we've added right here. As you can see, it will automatically be added just like that. And click on save. Now you can basically use the skin right there. And that's how you change your skin in Minecraft Java Edition.